Why joining Systèmes Sous-sol Québec is a very rewarding experience. Joining our team means adopting a culture through which we invest in you so that you can evolve, prosper, and grow on the personal and professional level. And being part of one of the largest North American basement repair networks will get you to learn and practice the most advanced techniques in the field. Joining us means joining a healthy and dynamic workplace, a professional and fascinating environment. You will be part of a lively and united team whose members create together a new entity ready to reach a common goal. We create a team spirit and cohesion with synergies, allowing us to target our strengths and weaknesses as an organization. We introspectively examine our approach to improve our efficiency and productivity, taking into account the profile and professional qualities of every employee. We discuss problems, but we focus on the solutions. We are an organization that listens to its employees and believes that their ideas contribute directly to the development of a sense of belonging to the company and to the work team.
We are a company that gives a high importance on continuous training for our employees who benefit from an enriching experience throughout our North American network. And we provide each one of them with a caring support for their growth within our organization. For us, that's a long-term investment.
We carry out weekly training activities which will strengthen the sense of belonging of our employees and accentuate their desire to learn and their desire to want to evolve and develop their skills and know-how. We make sure to encourage and motivate them to make them happy and fulfilled working with us. At Systèmes Sous-sol Québec, we are aware of the importance of the human factor and have confidence in our employees' know-how, professional experience, and analytical abilities in the situations they are facing. We aim to be generous by sharing our resources and our time to provide our suppliers, external and internal customers the expected assistance and expertise. Systèmes Sous-sol Québec has built a reputation for excellence and trust thanks to its expertise in the repair of basements and foundations, and to its qualified teams who offer quality service. Our mission for the next few years is to develop experts and to continue to put forward our values, which have allowed us to date to have a reputation for success and expertise in our field.